How to buy Hurricane token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account to enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the WEEX account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screen here. It's created almost about 21 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity share unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in safe places. Token also trending number 6 on Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your funds wallet for that. As you can see, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. And click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here's how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. And after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all the information here. Click on stop and you will be able to read access to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Hurricane token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.